Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin rockets off as we discussed. Why now is not the time to be getting bearish on Bitcoin? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why now you should be particularly bullish. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed jumping up to 68 in the green. You know, this is fun because this is the first indicator I look at every day for Bitcoin, and I can tell based on the fear and greed index alone what the market has done. You know what the market did today? Up over 4%. Bitcoin at $30,073, over $30,000. Bitcoin at 1916, BNB at 329, XRP 52 cents, Cardano 40 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, Polygon $1.13, and Solana 22.46. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence, we have Anchor Network, Volt Inu, Ocean Protocol, IoTeX, and Qtum. And if you want to use AI to pick out your coins, there is a free trial to Token Metrics down in the description. Now, Bitcoin has broken out exactly as we discussed. We have a diamond consolidation pattern right here. We were saying by Thursday, which is in 2 days, we would have a breakout. It happened 2 days early. Bitcoin broke out above there and has gone above this resistance level at $30,000. So it could go much, much higher if we can settle above $30,000. We have also broken above this upper bound of the ascending trend that Bitcoin is in. So all things are looking exceptionally bullish for Bitcoin. And yet the bears are in disbelief, still waiting for $13,000. All of them shake the trees. The bears are still there. They're like, when 12K, sir? When is it coming? I don't know if you're ever going to see it again. Right now, Bitcoin is following OBV. OBV is one of my favorite indicators because it's one of the leading indicators for Bitcoin. We can see what's happening on OBV before we see it happening on Bitcoin. We can see here OBV broke through previous downtrend, found resistance above before Bitcoin actually did the same thing. Historically, when this happened, this is all up territory for Bitcoin over the next few years. We have Bitcoin breaking, this is the total market cap, breaking through the super guppy, as we've seen previously. Historically, another massive indicator for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This was from April 9th, a couple days ago. So with today's pump, we have broken above the super guppy as well. And if we take a look at the 2-week moving average cross, just confirmed bullish with the latest candles right here in the first 2 cycles. These are the signals that started it all, way down here, and way down here, as Bitcoin made its journey to the cycle tops. We're just getting started. Every indicator is flashing. This is just the beginning for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. If we take a look at the 2-week hike in a sheet chart, with the same period, we had 630 days down. We had 630 days down. We had a massive run of greens, Well, look at what came next. Generational, lifetime investment opportunities. We could have the same thing, putting Bitcoin into the hundreds of thousands of dollars right now, and another explosive Bitcoin indicator hinting at explosive growth. The SOPR 90 days below 1, which is below this line right here, signals a bear market, but we have just crossed above, signaling a bull market in 2015, in 2019, in 2020. It led to 6,000% gains, 150% gains, and almost 600% gains. What is it due to do this time? Well, here's an estimate. Another crazy Bitcoin fractal still in place with the breakout above previous downtrend. Here are some areas where we could see some price movement into the 50s of thousands of dollars. But that's not all, because you have to remember, in less than a year's time, we have the halving coming up. That's a big moment for Bitcoin. The year leading up to the halving and the year after the halving. Slow growth up to the halving, exponential growth after the halving. And historically, at the time of the halvings, Bitcoin has always been at the fair value, this green dotted line in the center. Right now, that's at $40,000. So even buying Bitcoin now at $30,000, there's a good chance in a year it'll be at least $40,000 if we don't see bigger plays just due to scarcity. Because you have to remember, every all-time high, previous all-time high, you guys remember that one, $70,000? Well, this was the previous all-time high in 2018, and here was the one in 2015, and here was the one in 2011. And once Bitcoin takes off after that halving, it makes the previous all-time high look like a blip on the map as Bitcoin goes into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. And if you are waiting with those bags of altcoins or thinking about investing in altcoins now, well, it's looking like it might be a pretty decent time to do that. We have a giant fractal on the total market cap playing out where we have the price hammered down, we find a bottom, break out above previous all-time high, retest those levels before rocket shit off to new all-time highs. Same thing, hammer down from the levels, find a bottom, break out, retest it. Everything is looking like it's gonna turn up Millhouse, you know, it's going up. I think that's what that means. Anyways, so that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.